Hey guys, welcome back to another Tubers video. It's Sam here with another quick update. I might be looking a bit different than usual. In fact, I'm just a cartoon face floating in front of the screen. That's for a very good reason. We're very excited to say that the awesome guys at Adobe have given us licenses to their full Creative Cloud suite for both Tubers Academies. This means we're going to be able to teach our more experienced members awesome digital media skills in applications such as Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, and many, many more, including this brilliant piece of software I'm using right now, Character Animator. Character Animator allows you to create videos and live streams using digital avatar puppets and create some amazing characters in the process. This face I'm using now is just a blank slate. This is just what you use as your kind of basic avatar, but you can be anything. You can be a gorilla. You can be a ninja. Hello. Or perhaps even maybe a doctor. Because the software is so versatile, it's great for beginners and more experienced members alike. You can create a custom puppet in mere minutes. But for our members who want to be even more creative and make their own puppets from scratch, you can do that. The Character Animator software uses your webcam to automatically map your face and create these great animations. The software is so good that it can even track your eye movements and blinking. See? It's super simple, and we can't wait to start seeing what our members make with this software. Of course, we'll also be teaching Photoshop, Premiere Pro, After Effects, and more to give our creators some advanced career skills for their futures. So once again, a massive thanks to Adobe for these licenses. Look out for future content by our creators using this amazing software. For future Tubers updates, remember to like our Facebook page, subscribe to us on our Tubers official YouTube channel, as well as follow us on Twitter and Instagram. We'll see you soon. Bye!